You won't be paid per day or per hour, but every single minute. All you have to do is upload videos and get paid $5 every minute. It happens quickly and does not require any social media selling or filling out boring surveys. In fact, this is by far the easiest technique for a brand new beginner to make your first $500 online, while letting others do all of the work for you. This opportunity is now available worldwide, and it is completely free, with no investment or credit card required. So make sure to watch until the end to know this brand new strategy on how to make money online by uploading videos. I want you to go to Skillshare.com. When individuals visit this website, they may browse for various online workshops, video training, and courses to learn about something or to obtain a new skill. When you click on the Browse button at the top, people can come over here to learn anything. For example, there are so many classes that individuals can join to watch different videos to learn about animation, graphic design, music, or even photography. Now you may be wondering how exactly we intend to upload videos and get paid $5 every minute on this website. Don't worry too much. That's precisely what we'll cover next. When you go to the homepage of this website, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll notice that you can become a teacher under the teaching section. I want you to click on this, and you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up for a free account, become a teacher, and begin uploading videos to this website. Don't worry, you don't have to create any videos yourself, and you don't even have to be in front of the camera, because I'll show you a special trick for getting pre-made and done for you. All you'd then have to do is upload these videos and get paid $5 every minute. First and foremost, here is how teaching works on Skillshare.com. You must make your first class and post videos on it, and then anytime others join in and watch the video, you can begin making money on this website every minute. Yes, you heard that correctly. If people watch the videos or your classes, you get paid every single minute. There are many individuals who make tens of thousands of dollars a year on this platform, merely by posting videos. Basically, you make money through monthly royalties depending on the number of minutes people watch your videos, as well as a referral bonus. So right now, all you have to do is click on this green button here to start a class, and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can upload videos to Skillshare.com so that when others view those videos, you may earn money online. When you click on this Upload Videos button, you can upload a video to this website. And don't worry, I'll show you precisely where to acquire free and done-for-you videos that you can just copy, paste, and re-upload on this website. So keep watching. Right now, I'll show you a few real-life demos and examples on how you can upload videos and get paid $5 every minute. When you click on this Explore button on the top, you'll go to this graphic design category, and you'll be sent to this graphic design page, which has over 1 million followers. The thing I like about Skillshare is that all you have to do is upload the videos. And there are millions of people and visitors who come over every single day to look for videos and classes to watch and learn about something new. You could tap into this opportunity and be the one to make money online by leveraging this incredible system. Plus, they're actually very simple and very short videos that you can upload on Skillshare.com. And every single time people click play and watch your videos, you earn money. As you can see, over 170 students are currently viewing this video. This is a great opportunity for you to earn a passive income, because once you copy and paste the video here, people from all over the world will find your videos on Skillshare organically. That's with or without you promoting those videos. Skillshare does all the hard work and promotion for you in bringing people onto their website to watch them. And all you had to do was upload videos and get paid $5 every minute while you're sleeping, traveling, or working on something else. Now, the next thing I want you to do is go to Renderforest.com. This is the website where we will download videos for free and upload them to Skillshare. This is a very reputable company where you can come to create logos, videos, mock-up websites, and so many other things. But we want to focus on just creating videos. Go to the top of this toolbar right here and click on Create Video. You'll be directed to this page where there are tons of video templates that fits your needs. I love Renderforest because you can get a lot of these video templates all 100% done for you for absolutely free. Plus there's so many options and choice that you can select from. As you can see here, they are all very professional and of course, ready-made for you. You can just click on a few buttons and get all of these videos with no investment. Using your phone or computer, you can easily upload videos and get paid $5 every minute. My personal recommendation for you is to choose from these whiteboard animation toolkits. The reason why this is so popular is because a lot of people like whiteboard learning, and it's very suitable to be uploaded on Skillshare.com as a training course. So all you have to do is click here, and you'll be sent to the page, Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. Judging by the 13,342 ratings and over 4.5-star rating, there are a lot of people who use and love it. I'm going to go ahead to show you what it looks like over this whiteboard tutorial video template, much like what you're seeing right here. It's a tutorial video with a whiteboard template that teaches people a new skill set. They're actually very easy to understand, and they're very professional, so you can simply use all of these done-for-you templates to edit, then upload videos, and get paid $5 every minute. When you scroll down below, you can see different videos that are created by other people using this template. You can do the same thing on this website by simply clicking on a few buttons that I'll show you right now. All you have to do is go and click on Create Now. Click on this screen button right here, and then you'll come up to a page where you can create a new video. Now, a very important to remember is that there are 3 options that you can choose from. I want you to click on this Load a Preset option, where you can choose a done-for-you storyline. Once you select this, just go and click on the Create button. You can see there are many ready-made stories, done-for-you templates, and tutorial videos available for use. From web development to cloud database, real estate, and even social media management. There are so many training videos that you can get for free on Renderforest.com and use on Skillshare.com. And by doing so, you can start earning a lot of money online, just like these guys that are doing it right now. People are earning consistent passive income, month in, month out. Say you want to do a video about an education platform promotion. All you have to do is click on this video, and they'll show you a preview of its video template. Watch the video to see if it fits in well enough with what you want to discuss, and click on Edit this template. A window would pop up where you can edit something on this style and proceed to the next step. Still on the journey to upload videos and get paid $5 every minute, you can final step, and you can do this with a free preview. You don't have to spend anything. On this website, it's completely free. You can use the same process on various templates, different videos, and even different storylines to create different tutorial videos. You may now upload it to Skillshare.com and begin to earn money every time people click, play, and view videos on the platform. This is a great way for individuals all over the world to earn passive income. And that's it. How to upload videos and get paid $5 every minute. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Alan, love you.